I saw a video of a woman. She's holding her child, and her child had passed away. She was thanking God at that moment, and she sang Allahu Akbar, and she sang in Arabic, "From you we came, and to you we will return," and just thanking God so much in that moment. And I said, I don't think I could do that. I don't think my faith is strong enough that I could thank God at that moment. So I said, how is her faith so strong? So that's what really inspired me to read the Quran, because especially as a mother, to be holding my child in my arms and thanking God, because even though my child is gone, I don't know. I don't think I could do that at that moment. Incredible how much the Palestinian people, the Palestinian Muslims have inspired the world. So I said, I need to read this book. They're talking about the Quran. I need to read this and see what is it that they believe in to be this steadfast in their faith. So I just opened it out of curiosity as a Christian of 25 years, and literally the first sentence, I was just blown away. Like, I felt like it was speaking directly to me. I felt like God